Hi, my name's Meg with UNT Outdoor Pursuits, and today's video is going to cover how to set up and take down our 2-burner stoves. For the setup of these stoves, there's only a little bit of assembly required. You have to latch the windscreens to the lid of the stove and take out the contents that are inside. To connect the hose, use gentle pressure while screwing it in. After it's secure, you can go ahead and attach your propane tank. Once the propane tank is connected, you can go ahead and grab this base to ensure that the tank stays upright while the stove is in use. Now that your stove is all set up, you are good to go ahead and get it lit. To do this, just turn the nozzle and hit the ignition switch. After you finish cooking and the stove is cool to the touch, go ahead and break everything down in the reverse order. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this or our other gear rentals, feel free to contact us at UNT Outdoor Pursuits.